Hi, in this video we'll learn how to convert strings to lists. We can enter more than one thing at a time in user input. We can enter a list. Have a look. What are your favorite colors? And suppose we want to enter 3 colors as a list. What are your favorite colors? Green, yellow, blue. Fine, it looks like a list. If we echo the input, it will appear in quotes as a string. Have a look. Colors. So it is actually a string, not a list. There will be no quotes if we use the print function. Have a look. Print colors. Now we have no quotes, but is it a list now? We can easily check what type something is by using the type function. So let's use it here. Type of colors turns out is a string. Now, if we want a list to be returned, we can cast the input to a list by using the method list or use the eval function. The eval function is used to evaluate input. So what we get with just input is the so-called raw input, which is a string. What we get using the eval function along with input is evaluated input. Here's an example. Here we have cities equals, and now the input function is inside the list function, which means this will be cast to a list. And now let's type something like this. Rome, Venice, Florence, for example. And now we have a list. Type of cities list. And now an example with the eval function. So food equals eval input. What did you eat? And let's type something like this. Pasta, pizza, salmon. And this time, if we check the type of food, we get a list too. So we can use the list function or the eval function. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.